In this video, we know the pages option, right? So we can see how many pages are there for our website and how can we create a new pages as well. For creating your page, just click on pages option. So as I told, pages is nothing, it's a web pages. You'll be creating from here home, about us, contact us page, right? So here in the all pages we can see this is the privacy policy and sample page like that, right? So by default it has been updated in your website when you install WordPress. So if you don't want these pages, so simply what you can do, you can make it res. So it will be deleted, right? Now for this privacy policy, we go res. So now we can see no page is there in our website. So now we are going to create a web page for our website. Just as, for example, we have to create a home page. So if you are the first time user, you will be getting guidelines like this one. Simply you can go and you can check it, right? So now from here you can add the title of your page, right? Like I'm tapping and simply I'll click on publish, right? So as soon as I publish this one, this page will be published in our website. After that, you have to click on update. So here you will be getting URL as well, right? So like that way you can create the page. And suppose you are not able to understand this dashboard. So another dashboard, we will be using one plugin. So it will make that dashboard very user